All right, I just received this. It's a Giga Pump, and we're gonna have to check this bad boy out. Here's some directions: how to inflate a vacuum storage and a camping lantern. Interesting. So it does a lot of things. Anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, that's interesting. Super small. So yeah, you can make it and hang it like a lantern, apparently. And I do believe we charge it with I can figure out how to open this. Oh yeah, so it's a USB-C charge. So we'll have to charge it. It has the fan here, which blows out of here. Let's see. Wow. So here we go. We've got a couple settings. 1, 2, 3. So I think I got to do 2 clicks. And then 1 click to make it go low. And 1 click to turn it off. Let's check out the light. Maybe it's 2 clicks here too. Oh, wow. That is freaking bright. Oh my gosh. All right, let's do 1 click. Goes a little bit lower. Another lower. And then off. So 2 clicks and it's bright. Ready? Whew. I mean, I can't even look at it. That is crazy. That will light up your whole, I mean, this thing is amazing. All right. Wow, this is freaking unbelievable. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, look at this. Wow, this thing is amazing. Look at this. You got everything you need. All right, let's get rid of all this stuff. It does come with some directions. Let's just look and see what we got here. So we've got all these different types of hoses. This looks like it would work on a kite. This you could fill, blow up something, balloons with it. This looks like it might work on a kite. This is just like some kind of suction thing. So we'll have to experiment with this. It does come with its own USB-C right here. So you're ready to go. To charge it up, I already have a USB-C, so I like it a lot, especially the light. I mean, just the light alone is worth the price of admission, I gotta say. All right, so let's go ahead and let's bring it over here and let's go ahead and plug it in to a USB-C. So we're just gonna open that up like that. And then I think I got my USB-C right here. So it's plugged into a block over here, you see that? So this will charge it up good. So let's go ahead and get it in there. All right, bam. Now I can just set it right there and let it charge up. So we'll have a full charge on it. And I may use this to take to the beach to fill up my, tell you the truth, to fill up my inflatable paddleboard, see how it works. That would be a challenge for this. It should be interesting. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you amazing things such as this that you can get on the internet. Peace out.